This is it, Sue?
Hey, Sammy, what's up? I was watching that.
That's the house!
What house? What are you talking about?
I lived in it when I was in Tibidabo. Sue, you have no idea how beautiful it was.
Don't be upset, Sammy. I have a great idea.
What idea?
Let's make the house from cardboard in memory of the years you spent in Tibidabo.
That's wonderful! What are we waiting for?
Let's go! Hey guys! Today we're going to make Casita, a magical house of the Madrigals. We don't have to go to Colombia though. All we need is cardboard. And now
I, Sammy the Greatest, will sing songs so that you can feel the atmosphere of Encanto!
where is your guitar or banjo or anything else? You totally need the musical accompaniment.
I don't have any, but I can paint these pieces in 5 seconds! Count!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sammy, time is up!
Here I am! Everything is done! Now they look more like walls than just pieces of cardboard!
Thank you, Sammy. Now step away a bit. This glue is hot. I don't want to burn you. Guys, be very careful at this stage. Watch out for your fingers.
Check this out, Sue! I brought you an arch! I'm strong like Louisa Madrigal. You need it, right?
Sure, Sammy. It'll be our passage to the courtyard, our way to the fairy tale. While I'm busy making Casita, think about decorations.
I have enough colors here! I'll be your Isabella Madrigal!
But Isabella made flowers, not colors, if I remember it right. And you need long hair then.
Sue, I know that you got what I wanted to say! Take the windows for Casita!
I was just kidding! I know that you want to make everything bright and colorful. And our entrance is almost done. What do you think?
I think you're tricking me! I don't see any magic inside!
Be patient, we just started, and help me with the decorating.
I know that you can do nothing without me! And I'm always ready to help! But promise that our Casita will be magical just like in Encanto or like my house in Tibidabo!
I promise. By the way, can you please tell me more about your house in Tibidabo? I suppose it contained some real magic and maybe it gave you some powers. So how did it do that? Just like Casita, with the help of a door handle? Or it had its own secret that nobody could reveal? I want to know everything!
Of course I got powers from my house! But they can be used only in Tibidabo! Ugh!
Why? Does Tibidabo protect its inhabitants from the world with the help of magic?
Something like that! I knew that you were very smart, Sue!
Thank you! Let's check out how these parts of the house will look together. Great! Now it's time to start making the little houses and towers. And I need your help again. You are the best decorator ever, you know.
Sure thing, Sue! One friend of mine from Tibidabo has just the same greenhouse! And he's able to control the weather, just like Peppa Madrigal! Stop! I need to bring you one thing!
I hope it won't be a firework or some prank. I just want to finish the house.
I recollected! That friend gave me these so I can invoke the sun!
Sammy, I think you forgot that we're inside. We don't have the sun in here, just the lamps. Or are you going to leave them on forever? Check this out! All the parts look perfect together. We'll just add some pieces for future roofs. And that's it!
I know that we're inside, but magic can't revive without the light!
Okay, now we're going to make the part of Casita on the right side of the entrance.
Wait, butterfly, I need you! Show me the way! Show me the joy!
Sammy, where did you get that butterfly? And why are you catching it? Leave it alone! The butterfly is not your guide, it's just an insect. Better come here, I need your help. Who else will decorate the house?
Okay. I have a few minutes to help you. Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribidi! Hop! Done! But I think this part of Casita needs more pieces. You should try better and finish it.
Agreed! We definitely need a roof here. Now this part is done. You can be free. For a couple of minutes. While I'm making a pedestal for the tower, you can… Sammy, where are you?
I've got yellow butterflies! Antonio helped me. They make people happy. Do you know that?
Now I do, but I'm not going to catch butterflies to be happy. I just like watching them.
It's so easy to distract you. The pedestal is not finished at all.
Okay, Sammy, whatever you say. Show me what you mean.
1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! Let's decorate it! Check it out, Sue! Now it looks just
welcome! But while you were doing that, I finished the main part of the tower. Let's put these pieces together so that they become stable. Check this out, Sammy! I can do things without magic. I want to add several more pieces to finish the tower.
It's time for magic! Where can I put my door handle?
Sammy, wait a bit. I'm busy making the tower where Bruno— Stop! We shouldn't talk about Bruno. Who knows what can happen? But the tower should be done right. Otherwise, Grandma Elmo will be unhappy. If one day she comes to visit us, she'll see that we respect her.
Okay, I'll wait until you finish and then I'll use this. Oopsie.
When I was watching Encanto, I couldn't understand how Bruno's room fits inside. Casita is too magical for me, too incomprehensible, and too complicated.
Sue, cut this wire into 4 parts, please. I have an idea.
Okay. Besides, these clippers are sharp, and you shouldn't take them at all.
Sue, I think you're missing something. Those angles. I don't like the way they look.
I got it. Are you satisfied now, Sammy?
Sue, the tower needs the top. Attach it to Casita.
Whatever you say, Sammy. You know what the house should look like better than me. It fits Casita perfectly. Sammy, check it out. What do you think we've missed?
Give me a couple of seconds. Sammy, the greatest woman, everything. That's what a magical house should look like.
Thank you, Sammy. Now it's my turn to work on Casita.
Sue, wait! You're in a hurry. I haven't finished yet.
Okay, don't worry. Do whatever you need.
Thank you. Up. 1, 2, 3. Now it's all right. You can continue, Sue.
It's time to add a couple more touches.
Stop! You forgot about the most important part. Without the candle, Casita can't exist at all.
Right. I felt that I forgot something. Don't worry, Sammy. I'll make it in a couple of minutes. This part should be pink, right? How could I forget about the house of your favorite color?
I've made the candle with a special design. Not Casita's, but mine from Tibidabo.
You didn't tell me that you had a candle in your house.
Well, it's a secret, so don't tell anybody about what you'll hear now. Abracadabra! Everybody with powers in Tibidabo has a sacred magic candle.
Wow, so interesting! The sacred magic candle, power, secrets. The more I learn about Tibidabo, the more I want to go there.
Sorry, Sue. Very few people can manage to get there. I can't show you the way.
What a shame! Well, at least I'll have this version of the house.
Don't be upset, Sue. One day you'll get your powers too. And a candle.
Maybe I'm just like Mirabelle. My power is something special and simple at the same time.
Great thinking, Sue. You're gonna need the candle in this window. Let me help you a bit. The most important part of Casita is done. The candle will give magic to everyone.
You're right, Sammy. The candle house fits the whole construction perfectly. Now let's add the actual light source here.
If you're our Mirabelle, then Bruno had a vision about you too, right?
Maybe, but this will be a secret between me and Bruno. Let's return to our casita. It's waiting for us. What do you think? Why don't we glue the roof for all the parts of our house?
Holy cannoli! But Sue, this roof doesn't look like Casita's at all. It needs…
Shingles. I know, and I have an idea of how to make them.
I wanted to try too, but it looks like I've done something wrong. What do you think?
Sammy, you should have glued the shingles on the roof, not on yourself.
Oh my feta! I think I've made an umbrella for a walk in the rain! Oops.
Not a very good idea, Sammy. These shingles are made of cardboard. They'll get soaked.
Forget about the shingles! You've made a great mistake! Where is the chimney?
Don't worry, I remembered about that. You see? The roof of the house is finished. You can calm down, okay?
Sue, wait! Where are the stairs?
Just a second. We'll make it with the help of magic. Watch. The stairs are done. Cool, huh? We'll put it right here. Just imagine the Madrigals going up there to get their powers.
Sue, let's finish everything as fast as we can!
Sure, Sammy. By the way, there are just several pieces left.
Great! Decorations are my responsibility! Look what I've brought!
Cool! I didn't even think about that. You are so smart.
I know! Give me a couple of seconds and everything will be ready! Shiver me chatters! This house looks just like mine in Tibidabo!
Our floor is done. I think we need flowers. Isabel, bring them, please.
Okay, Sue. I'll be your Isabel if you really want.
Check it out, Sammy. Our house is perfect, just like Casita or yours in Tibidabo.
the door handle.
Just a second. Mirabelle will help us. She knows many secrets. Abracadabra! Sammy the Greatest is getting his power!
Holy cannoli! It happened! My magic is with me again! I should check it! Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribidi!
I'm sure everybody will get their powers someday. Wait for magic and it will come. Bye-bye!